they will find the problem, fix them, and build one technology to upgrade that suits to our budget. So let's start.
Check-in takes 10 to 15 minutes per guest, way too slow. Our booking system is way too old. We type everything by hand and kulang ang staff during busy times. These delays trigger complaints and mas madaming nagagalit. Lobbies are crowded and our team feels overwhelmed. Rooms aren't always clean because we short staff. For people that 3 plus per and wala tayong pre-rate as ng task team. And time was a check on the network of different office. And that makes our check-ins late and not just unhappy. Another issue is cold food delivery for our room service. Even though we print orders by hand, runners wait multiple orders to send out, and kitchen communication is bad. And we also waste food because we guess how much to make it during busy hours.
Our online reviews dropped from 4.4 to 3.8 stars in just 2 months. So, lahat ng complaints ay tungkol sa slow service, dirty rooms, and cold foods. Bumaba din ang bookings ng 12% from cancellations. Our website is outdated, so we can't sell extra things for updating.
Health department may same issues, slow processes, bad communication, and too much paperwork. And this costs more money, causes mistakes, and make guests late. Automating and coordinating better will fix most of this. How about redesigning shifts at training staff para overall visit times and let guests check in early online to cut log times? Housekeeping will implement a standard cleaning list at check natin ang rooms araw-araw to make sure that they are clean. So for F&B, we will revise the room service orders and set deadlines to keep the food snack.
Okay, how about dagdagan din natin ng rewards para sa mga reward and share daily team chats para sa feedback at negotiations from cleaners.
Technology, staff will get their access,
money for only one big tech upgrade, so let's pick one that fixes our biggest problem. We have, I guess, three options. Marketing style.
Option A is the mobile check-in now. So, faster check-ins, guest uploads IDs early, is better communication with housekeeping. Next is option B, which is the digital housekeeping system. This is real-time room status, automatic task assignment, and fewer delays. Then lastly is the smart kitchen system. To keep hot food and drop orders better than doing. So,
I say pick the Mobile. It's our people play. Wala nang mahahabang pila. Guests can check in from their phones and we'll have more time to help people. Can update room status to us. Plan my early check-in. Guests will still wait. The digital housekeeping system fixes both check-in delays and cleaning issues.
But cold food is a huge problem. So the smart kitchen would stop that way. So this cannot be ignored.
Data shows communication between front office and housekeeping is the main boundary. Kapag naayos ko, most other dishes may be better. But the app also helps.
Wait, let's vote na lang. Majority wins. Alright, we're going to the mobile check-in app since it addresses our top guest complaint and improves our cross-department communications. And we'll roll it out in within 2 weeks, I guess. And that's it. Okay, that's all. Team, great work. We know the problems. Have fun. And we pick our tech upgrade, so let's go to